Autoglym Leather Cleaner deep cleans and freshens leather upholstery. Leather Cleaner is simple to use, is free of silicons and masking agents. It will not add any shine and leaves leather clean and with its natural finish. Vacuum the interior thoroughly and use a soft brush to dislodge dirt from between folds and creases, especially in seats. Shake well and test a small inconspicuous area first to check for water staining and colour fastness. Spray leather cleaner sparingly onto the surface and agitate with a sponge or cloth, paying more attention to any stains or dirt trap areas. After 2 minutes, remove any remaining cleaner and dirt by wiping over the area with a damp chamois, such as an Autoglym High-Tech Aqua Dry, rinsing it frequently in clean water. Allow the surface to dry to a natural finish, ready to condition and protect with Autoglym Leather Care Balm.